Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn how you can write a beautiful, emotional, heart-touching, easy and simple birthday card for your best friend or friend. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Dear, write the name of your friend. Happy birthday. You are so special to me. I am truly lucky to have a friend like you. Your kindness, love, and support mean everything to me. Every moment with you is full of joy and laughter. Every moment with you is special and I cherish our friendship so much. On your birthday, I want to remind you how amazing you are as a friend. On your special day, I wish you all the happiness, love, and success in the world. You deserve all the happiness in the world. May your dreams come true and your heart stay full of love. I hope this year brings you success and beautiful memories. Enjoy your special day to the fullest. I am always there for you. With lots of love. Next, write your name with a cute emoji.